Welcome back to RotoCityTech. I'm Hank. I'm in the garage today. We are going to film a little video, some products that I received probably over a year ago from Carmtek. They also sent me out one of the electronic locks that I put on the camper. Well, they sent me out some leveling blocks that you just roll up on and a 30 amp plug. Or a surge protector, I should say. So I'm going to throw those on right now and show you all the unboxing of that. And we'll just get this video moving. Let's open up this 30 amp. Again, this is from Carmtek. This is a 30 amp RV circuit analyzer with surge protection. So simple box there. Doesn't really have much info there, but let's open this up. We've got some information here talking about it. So the reason you want a surge protector is when you plug into power at an RV site, you want to make sure you plug this in first before you plug in your camper, because it's going to tell you if the circuit is good. So it'll show you 2 green lights, and that'll tell you that you're good to go to plug in your camper. Because what you don't want to happen is their ground to be messed up, or they're hot and their neutral is reversed or something like that, because then you're going to blow some stuff on your camper. So you want to avoid that by plugging this in and making sure you get those 2 green dots. And then so that's for the wiring, the surge protecting. That's if there's any surge of power, then this is going to stop that surge from hitting your camper. So that's pretty it. It's a pretty simple little deal. Most of Carmtek stuff is pretty beefy looking. And that's the same with this thing. So here, this is where you plug into your RV plug at the site, and this is where you would plug in your camper. And again, you'll get these lights light up on the front here, and it tells you on there 2 lights, what it means, and then it's got the lights up there. So anyways, let's get out here. I'm going to plug this into my 30 amp receptacle. What you want to do, we just pretend like this is at the RV camping spot. So first thing we want to do before we plug in our camper is plug in our protector. And if it's good, much like it is here, you'll see those 2, see if I can get the glare away, you'll get 2 green lights. You do not want to see the 1 green light there, or you don't want to see a red. And obviously if there's no power, it'll be no power. So right now we've got 2 green lights, good to go, and our surge protection, good to go. And then you just take your other end here, and we're just going to plug in our camper. Done. So that's the Carmtek surge protector. The other thing that Carmtek sent out were their leveling blocks. So this is just called their camper leveler. These are designed to just, when you get to your site, you can put these in front or behind the trailer wheels and either pull forward or back onto them. And they roll up, and they will allow you to level your camper one side or the other. And then they act as wheel chocks as well. We have a little informational there. Pull out one of these. So again, I mean, these are rubber coated, so it's just built really heavy duty from what I can see. And Carmtek seems to be really good at that. So there is that one, and then it will have the chock part of the wheel. And then we've got 2 of these in here. So what I'm going to do is put these in front of my camper, and then I'm going to pull the camper up onto these to show you how these work. So here is what you want to do. You want to take one of your little ramps here. Shout out to my brother who is getting these levelers. He got me this watch, so decided to throw it in the video today. But anyways, let's say this part of our camper is unlevel and we need to get it raised up. So you take this block and you put it in there. You take your other block and you put it right there. We leave these for here in a minute. Now I'm going to pull forward just a little bit. If I just need like an inch or two of lift, I'm just going to pull forward just a little bit just to get on the ramps, and we'll go from there. Now we've raised up that little bit. You want to take the other side, the chocks, and we're going to throw those right there. And now we're chalked. Now what you could do is, if you are afraid that it was going to go forward, you can put your chalk on this side. Now you're safe either direction. But anyways, that's pretty cool. These are so handy. I have a set of my own already, and these are so perfect. So obviously you can go all the way rolled up to where this is hitting the ground, and you're going to get that much lift. So these are perfect to have instead of just trying to roll up on some 2x4s. Okay, so that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much, Carmtek, for sending those out. If you want to hit up Carmtek or look at their products, check the link below in the description, and there'll be a link for you to hit, and you can go look at some of their stuff. So anyways, I look forward to working with them a little bit more. Like I've said, we've done the lock, now these two things. So hit them up, show them some love, tell them RotoCityTech sent you. Anyways, we'll see y'all guys next time. Happy camping. Please follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and here on YouTube, RotoCityTech.